Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys, I have shared with you crochet long cardigans designs for more elegance, long cords, long amazing designs for everyone. Like more much amazing designs, and basically these designs are so amazing for cardigans are so amazing and daily basis carry this office women and workers women, 80 years women, 60 years women easily carry these cardigans for everyone. Like more much amazing designs how you can make for yourself, and these designs are so gorgeous designs, crotches, so that are tops and crop tops, shorts for many cardigans, long cords for many gorgeous ideas. So these different spots like kind of pattern, seriously, when it has many other creatures of it at totally different. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your home in abundance, and may you continue to enjoy my video like this, Ami. These links with is my most favorite that already have different colors. It has pins, it has different amazing tops. Oh my god, I am so obsessed with the turning and multiple turning and never out of. Crochet cardigans is a thing. This my golden is black are so pretty for amazing designs. So this is getting point page whites, only. So this is something like formal, and with your formal. I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for more aliens and gorgeous ideas. These designs are so stunning, gorgeous videos. Are amazing videos. We are more elegant ideas. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. So thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys, I have shared